I'm a robot, and I was built by engineers, so I know all about engineering. But do you? What is engineering?
Engineering combines the fields of maths and science to solve problems and improve the world around us. Engineers are able to implement ideas in a practical and effective manner. Everything man-made around us has roots in some kind of engineering.
The making of stuff, like everything.
Yeah, it's the making of stuff.
Application of maths and physics sort of together. Yeah.
Thank you.
Would you be interested in engineering if it was taught more in schools?
It depends what we did. Like, if I prefer like practicals and things than just writing things down. Yeah, looking at the stuff.
What do you think of engineers?
Engineering.
I like it. I think it's cool. Awesome.
Seems like a great and satisfying, well-paid career. But
If we didn't have them, then we wouldn't have a lot of stuff.
no, there's so much engineering that goes into everything. Like,
So we appreciate it.
this thing here will have been engineered from the blue silver thing, foil, to the electrical at the back. Probably been engineered. We wouldn't have this without engineers.
How many types of engineering do you know?
Civil, structural, biological, that might not be
Chemical.
human, that might not be one either. Medical, probably not one either. We'll leave it at that. We'll leave it at that.
Medical engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering.
An engineer, probably an engineer. And then there's like the different ones, there's civil engineer, structural engineer. On the building site, that person with the big thing that they look out of on ground lines, that is an engineer. What other jobs are there?
Site manager. Planner. I don't know.
Yeah, could work in a lab, something like that. A university, could be a
Probably be a bit stereotypical. Think of a man. Yeah, I think of a man. Should be more up to mind about engineering. Yeah, there's no reason that a woman shouldn't be more than a man.
There's lots more diversity in the industry than there used to be. I think there's a lot more women in engineering now.
The engineering behind design, conservation and maintenance of both physical and naturally built environments is called civil engineering. Examples of civil engineering include bridges, dams, roads, canals and buildings. It is the second oldest form of engineering after military. There are many classes of civil engineering. These include materials, coastal, construction, environmental, geotechnical, water resources, structural, transportation, forensic and urban.
Environmental engineering is the contemporary term for sanitary engineering. Though sanitary engineering traditionally had not included much of the hazardous waste management and environmental work covered by environmental engineering. Public health engineers and environmental health engineering are other terms being used. Environmental engineering deals with treatment of chemical, biological and thermal wastes, purification of water and air, and remediation of contaminated sites after water disposal or accidental contamination.
Medical engineering is the field of engineering which advances medical technologies. It can involve actual equipment that's used to help people in hospitals, or it can be biomedical engineering, which involves the actual human body, and such as hip joints and knee joints and new stuff like 3D printed bones.
Well, engineering is basically anything that's very physics based and normally involves making things out of various types of materials, understanding what the materials are, what the application is, finding a solution for it, designing it, and then probably machining or building it. So that's what engineering is. What do I do? What don't I do? I do everything. I own the company, so I do design work, I do some of the technical problem solving, I actually make the machines and I repair the machines, because our side of engineering is forestry engineering, which is one branch of engineering. Do I think girls should be taught more engineering? Yeah, I think so, definitely, because it tends to be a male dominated industry, but some of the work is heavy work, but nowadays a lot of work is done by machines, so you can use machines, and girls should have that ability if they've got the skill factor and the drive to become an engineer. Why not? I'm all for it. Yeah. Can you name different types of engineering? Well, there are hundreds of different types of engineering: agriculture engineering, marine engineering, forest engineering, nuclear engineering, structural engineering. The list goes on. Plastics engineering, polymer engineering, the list goes on and on. So it's a very wide field.
Do you have any more comments on engineering?
Yeah, it's a very interesting subject. It's a very interesting subject if you actually like to do it. And the thing is, if you need an interest in engineering and a passion. But if you have an interest and a passion for anything, you will work and do okay.
We met at lunchtime. Teacher told us about we should really move through. We said no.